Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Haura Ghazal Zarkayasi and my college Refbika Firanti Anintias. We want to presentation about our article. The title of the social value of the excerpt of the novel Ayah by Andrea Hirata, Indonesian language book, sociological review of literature and its implementation as high school teaching material. Abstract. The study aims to describe the social values contained in the novel Ayah by Andrea Hirata and its implementation as literature teaching material in high school. This research method is descriptive qualitative. The data in this research are words or sentences that contain or have meaning about social values. The data source for the research is the novel Ayah by Andrea Hirata. The data collection technique of this research use library, listening, and note-taking technique. The data analysis technique in the research in using dialectical technique. Data validity for this research is using data triangulation. Based on the data found from the novel, it can be related to Indonesian language subject in SMA that is quite relevant to be used as teaching material at the SMA or MA level. Keyword Ayah novel, social values, and teaching materials. Introduction. Literature is the result of creativity and productivity in the produced works. The works produced have aesthetic value while reflecting the social reality of society. Welk states that literature is a creative activity, the produced work of art. The term literature is often used to describe social and cultural phenomena that are not universal but exist in society. As for modern literary works can function as a medium of entertainment for the readers, that by reading fictional literary works creates inner satisfaction through entertaining stories. Nurgiantoro. An example of a great literary work in Andrea Hirata's area, the novel tells the story of family life in Belitung and depicts the relationship between father and son in a limited socio-economic context. The stories focus on themes relevant to frontline social situations, such as education, economic, and love. My father has also been associated with the novel Laskar Pelangi, which portrays social issues, especially related to education and the economy in poor areas. Based on the analysis, Andrea Hirata novel area contains social values that are relevant to use a teaching material at the high school level. Values such as education, economy, and compassion are linked with competency achievement indicators such as creativity, communication, and interest in reading. The novel also emphasizes the importance of leadership roles, especially in economic situations where fathers and sons are responsible for meeting the needs of their families. The economic problems discussed in this novel provide important lessons for students that can be interpreted as wisdom in facing life's college challenge. Methods. This research used a qualitative descriptive method. Qualitative research is a research procedure that produces described data in the form of written or spoken word from people and observed behavior. Bogdan and Taylor in Mellon. According to Aminuddin, qualitative descriptive method means that analyzing the form of description, not in the form of number or confusion, about the relationship between variables. The data collected are in the form of vocabulary, sentence, and images that have meaning. The next, result and discussion. Number 1, structure of Andrea Hirata. Number 1, theme. This novel tells a love story between a man and a woman, and at the same time emphasizes the love story of a father to his son and vice versa. Number 2, plot. The description, introduction quiet atmosphere, development slightly tempered poetic and romantic atmosphere, conflict tense atmosphere, climax sad and tense atmosphere. Number 3, setting. This story takes place in the land of Belitung, Andrea's birthplace, and several other places such as Sumatra and Australia. Andrea takes the time setting for this story from the 1970 to early 2013.
Social value category. 1. Kinship value. Expert. Zoro is Amir, is Lena's son with Wugnau's Wo. Wo since Lena married Sabari become Sabari's son who was very much loved by Sabari. Sabari single-handedly raised Zoro. To the value of law. Sabari, who was incarnate and good at poetry, inherited from the father. Always made love poems for his idol. Lena as many times as he made love poems. Lena rejected them, even insulted him. No matter how bad Lena's image was in society, Sabari still missed Marlina's presence. From then on, Sabari began Little My Title to lose his spirit. Her love for Zoro made her unprepared for such a sudden loss. 3. Socioeconomic value. Sabari decided to work at Lena's father's brick company. For one thing, to get close to Lena, while Marlina moved around and married several men. Zoro, the smart-looking boy, accompanied his mother, including the experience of having multiple fathers and multiple stepbrothers. Implement as high school teaching material. Teaching through the novel Ayah can be done with various approaches that are educational and relevant for high school students. First, social value such kinship and love can be identification and discussed in a real life context. Second, thematic learning focus on the struggle and sacrifice, linking the theme to student experience. Third, structural analysis teaches the intrinsic element of literature to improve literature analysis skill. Fourth, literary sociology discussions help students understand the relationship between literary works and social reality. Finally, creative achievements such as writing essay for poems can deepen student understanding of the value in the novel. Consolation. The novel Ayah by Andrea Hirata contains various social values that are relevant to be used as teaching material in high school. Values such as kinship, love, and socio-economic contained in this novel can help students understand the relationship between literature and social reality. The novel also teaches the importance of certificates, compassion, and life struggle, especially in the relationship between father and son. With the sociology of literature approach, this novel can be used as a medium to deepen student analytical skill of the intrinsic element of literature as well as reflection on everyday life. So many presentations that I can convey. Please apologize if there are shortcomings. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.